How to make a Google form not require sign-in. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make Google Forms not require sign-in. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta go and search for Google Forms on your Google search engine or any of the search engine you have on your device. I have Google Chrome, so I've opened that, and after that you gotta click on sign in and sign in with the particular account you wish to create the Google form with, or you have already created a Google form with. So once you click on sign in, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. There'll be all new templates that you can create a form from, or you can create a form from scratch, or you can even click on any recent forms. For example, here I'm clicking on this form that I made of survey. And now here you can see that this form requires email. That means you can only, log in and just fill the form once. Now, if you wish to, just disable that, you got to head over to settings. And once you click on settings, you'll be able to see something like this. So you got to scroll down till you find the option that says responses. So click on responses, and now here you can see that limit to one response over here is toggled off. But if you have toggled this on, that means only one person can just log in and then submit their response. But if you toggle this off, then people wouldn't be asked to log in order to submit their responses. So that was how you can make Google Forms not require sign-in. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.